Delicious homemade spaghetti, a family favorite recipe. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're making a classic, homemade spaghetti. This dish will surely be a hit with the whole family. Let's start with the pasta. Boil 8 ounces of spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and set aside. Now, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add a finely chopped small onion, sauté until it's translucent and fragrant. Next, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. When it starts to brown slightly, it's time to add our optional protein. If you're using it, add in a pound of ground beef or Italian sausage. Cook until it's browned and no longer pink. Finally, pour in a can of crushed tomatoes. Stir everything together and let it simmer. This will be our hearty spaghetti sauce. Combine the pasta with the sauce, serve it hot, and voila! You've just made a delicious homemade spaghetti. Enjoy this family favorite recipe.